Everyone, in today's video, I've teamed up with Clover USA to bring to you a 3-part series needle felting tool test and review. This is actually a continuation of a 5-part series we did earlier on their blog post and right here on this channel, and I'm super excited to be back and sharing more with you. Host Jody, and welcome to my channel. Here I share needle felting videos from tool tests and reviews to tutorials, and even have giveaways from time to time, just like I will at the end of this 3-part series. So if you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you're looking for more on anything that you see here, be sure and check the links in the description below this video. Now let's get into what we're up to today. This is part 1 of the review, and I'm going to be testing Clover USA's Applique molds. I have here 6 of the molds that they offer, and I just wanted to show them to you a little more up close. Here are some of them out of the box, and then they come with this tool too for stuffing the wool. There is excellent information on the back of the packaging, and inside they have directions in multiple languages that are beyond amazing as well. As you can see, they'll help you create some pretty awesome, amazing items that can be used on so many different projects. It is fall right now, so I've created this mustard colored hat that I would like to attach some acorns to and mushrooms to make it a little bit more festive here. Before I get too deep into this project, I want to point out that you can either use these molds to create the item and then attach them to your object, or you can use the mold directly on top of your project and felt them onto your project. Today I want to create them loose like these ones, so I have 2 different mats here. This one, the wool will go through the bristles here. You can use a piece of paper and put the mold on the top and felt that way, or you can use part of your foam board. It will still felt into this some, but I was able to remove them like you can see here. And it would save you time if you felt directly onto the project. I'm just going to use some thread and sew this on, but these tools work super great. Like if you had a denim jacket or a washcloth, and you want to have a design or shape like any of these, a purse, anything, you can use them to put it on it. So over here I have my wool roving and wool batting. I want the mushroom stem brown. I'm gonna kind of take it and wad it up. You can use the stuffing tool and just kind of shove it all into kind of a ball in the mold, like so. I'm gonna do the same with the orange. Take your pin style needle felting tool, twist the pink end off, put this part on here, and like that till it locks. And then start piercing the wool straight up and down, not at an angle so you don't break your needles. Pull it off. You can see you're starting to make the mushroom. When you check on it, you can even kind of stab it from the other side. Or you can even use just a single needle and shape it to your liking some as well. I wanted to show you with this mat and the paper and the mold. Same effect. And even show you this way. You can just even felt your item just like that, and look. You can see here it would begin to apply it directly to your item. You can even then use a little bit of white wool to create a little bit of a design on your mushroom, some dots. Use a single needle felting tool to add that on. Look how simple that is, and it makes it have such an awesome little personal touch. Absolutely perfect for fall. Now, if you want to know what's next in this 3-part series and for your chance to win this hat, be sure and turn your bell notifications on and be following us on Instagram to get more details. I also wanted to share real quick before I go here, I will be linking the blog post that I wrote for Clover USA in the description below this video. It's all about this tool right here that I shared with you guys today. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. If there's something you'd like to see me create, I might just create it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.